we will say girls help.
हे आता तुम्ही पळयात हिंगा जेसीपीन माती काडटा. सो माती काडटा ती बरी हा. एंड द अदर वेज तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार तो रोड डॅमेज करता. तो टार रोड आहा तो ती जेसीपीन माती घालून टार रोडूय हिंगा डॅमेज जाता. सो आता हो प्रोसिजर प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर हिंगा कांयच ना. माती काडटा ती आहा पूण रोड डॅमेज करून उडयता. सो आता हे कोणे केल्ले आनी कोणाक हे करचें पडटा भोगचें पडटा ते पळय. लोकांच्या घरांनी हिंगा उदक गेलें, लोकांची कंपाउंडां हिंगा मोडली आनी आतां तेज्या उपरांत हिंगा रस्तो डॅमेज जावन वयता.
Even you go in that house, this house, just go through and just have a.
First time it was on 9th of June. 9th of June.
First time. So that's same.
9th of June. This is the first. Charlie.
Compound was broke. Total down. Full, masterpiece now. Full compound was gone. Yeah, Samsung uncle. Go and see now inside. Go and see inside. And nuts na. Pinkan, I don't know from where it is. पोदेरा उडच्यान थिंगच्यान
आता हांगसरले नी माती हांगसरल्यान
आता जेसीबीन काढल्या. आता जेसीबीन काढल्या ती आता. तो फुल डंप.
ट्रक भरला.
Actually, आमका उदीक येता every year, but like spring water, clean, crystal clear. First time mud water is coming. And mud water
ही माती लेकूच येता अशें उदक नाल्यार आमकां उदक अशें व्हाळान वयतालो
बरी आसा. आतां तूं येयलो अर्द्या वरा भितर तूं पावलो. पंचायत has not reached even last 2 hours.
So what I'm saying is we have to go वयर वचोन आमकां पळोवंक जाय why is it happening. कित्याक माती येता. पळोवन नो इट्स युजलेस. लुकिंग एट द सोल्युशन हियर इज युजलेस. सोल्युशन इज रायट ऑन टॉप.
उदक सांगता आपले म्हणटा वॉल बांदलेली ती देंवली बांदूंकूच ना खंय. ती देंवली की आतां आपूण कितें करूं. वॉल बांदलेले तेजे गुणे आसूंक जाय. आसूंक जाय न्हू. आनी प्रूफ दाखय वॉल बांदता म्हणटा 1.5 वर्स जालें म्हणटा आपले वॉल बांदलेली. तेजी कितें तरी सोल्युशन थंय वयर करपाचें कोणाय दिवपाची माती.
Our house is also there, total.
बांय बे जाली फामी जाली.
शिवेश, तू ट्रॅकिंग येतलो काय ना? येवंक जाय. ना जाल्यार आतां थिंगा वयर ट्रॅक करूया आमी. पळय स्लोप. ही माती एकठांय जाली आं. ही माती एकठांय जाल्या वयल्यान. ती माती लोड येतलो कंपाउंड वयतलो.
You can go behind here.
It is in Komundat property also.
Hello?
Reclamation सगळ्यांक मेळून बिकॉज लोकल्स आसा ते रावता तेंकां फाल्यां कितें जालें जाल्यार वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल ते सगळे एज अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल आमी एक्शन घेवंक ना म्हणटाले सो यू हॅव टू रायट सगळे लोकल्सांची ऑलरेडी लेटर येयल्ली आसा आतां दॅट डे आय गॉट ऑन फ्रायडे तेंच्यानी लेटर दिला की उदक माती येता म्हणून बट दीस वॉज लॉंग बॅक इन जानेवारी and only because he's the MLA you all are not acting. I am telling it on straightforward. Let people listen. Only because he is a MLA you all are not acting of ruling party. त्यांका लॉ दुसरो आणि आमकां लॉ दुसरो म्हणजे लोकांक लॉ दुसरो लागला करेक्ट असली लँड फिलिंग समज केल्ली नाल्यार तुमची कितें आसता प्रोसेस
भितर गेले कंपाऊंड वॉल तुटलो फाटल्यान हिंगान फूल रॅप फूल कंपाऊंड वॉल तुटलो दीस इज नॉट ओनली वन हाऊस दॅट हाऊस यू गो दॅट सावंताले घर सकयल घर देर हाऊस तीस हाऊस एवरीवेअर इज द सेम प्रॉब्लम डॅमेज थिंगा वयर क्रिएट केला न्हू सो इम्पॅक्ट हिंगा बसता पडटा पंचायती आता स्वीटी when did you call panchayat body of
More than 2 hours back.
whom did you spoke
I spoke to Lency.
Okay.
He said they are coming, they are on the way. पण अजून ना.
2 hours झाली 2 hours
स्विंग जाऊन येता कितें करता they are covered.
only गौतम गेलो येऊन गेलो कित्याक लागून because मोरनाक कोण मेला that's what he has said
तो तेज्या बाबतीन तुमची भूमिका कितें पंचायतीची
I have written to the deputy collector and collector. Now we have already issued this, and whoever it is responsible, action has to be taken under disaster management because it is going to cause a lot of problem for those houses and those people for our villages. So action has to be taken.
एक कोणाच्या घराक कितें तरी इश्यू जाला म्हणटा तो इफेक्ट जाला म्हणटा
कंपाऊंड
वाला कितें
Compound wall, yes, Samson. Their full wall has collapsed.
collapsed and
Yes,
the
because
family
it has come with a lot of pressure. The water has come along with mud, and it has blocked their wall. Compound wall has
compound wall
has
has fallen
collapsed.
under
Fully
the
collapsed. Yes.
तर ती हुंय आतां सद्याक कितें तरी शिफ्ट केल्या म्हणटा तांकां
Both are senior citizens, so they have been shifted out from their house, which is a very unfortunate incident. It should not happen, but their family has been here.
No, it's a private property, right? And this is Komundat.
Yeah, so but the private property owner.
but will he remove it what we are saying
If he says I'm not removing it, somebody should have the authority to instruct him to
No,
remove it,
disaster
right?
management authority can instruct. That will move the process. It is not an issue. District
but
I am writing to district disaster management authority.
Okay.
but how long the process because meanwhile because it has to be done
No, we'll
immediately
write right away. Today.
right away
Yeah. This is a disaster.
but
no,
yeah
we
I
can't
know
take
but how long what is the how long is the process
No,
one
it
day
will be
2
done
days 3
immediately.
days or 1 month
No, it won't take a month. It will be done prior to that.
because one compound wall has gone
correct.
but tomorrow one more will go day after tomorrow one more will go
Take 1 month.
so see our panchayat is like we they are there the MLA is also there and whatever the local politicians are they are also there but
No, it will happen.
being they are coming there but the solution is like the person who is I don't know who is the owner of it he needs to come and see and she needs to come out
We'll
and
issue directions to the collector. Right? There is
but
no other-
how long 8 days
Yeah, it will take less than that. I think.
less than days
But overnight this thing can collapse and
No,
go
that is
into-
correct. But
And
see, in
we-
these rains now, to touch it also. is very
Kennedy like
dangerous, right?
full
Touch it
this
now.
much the
But
mud
then
has
if
gone.
suppose the
it
houses
should
get
not-
destroyed down, who is going to take responsibility for that? Somebody has
Because
to
some, see, some is in Komundat property also. They also check, right? Because this method
We
had
checked, we
highlighted it in January now. Today we are in July. So almost 6 months.
No, but
elapsed
what
now.
action can the Komundat take on him? We can't take any action, right? It has to be the authority,
But
right?
some
Somebody has illegally encroached in our property.
So you all have
We
written
are
to
not the authority in order to take action
No, you
against
all have
him.
written to administrator about it.
Yes,
That
yes,
some
once again, I am not too familiar with the case. I'll
You
just
came
wait for the
in
action.
January you said correct
Correct.
so it took from January now we are in July so it is now 7 months it is
I will not
okay but the assurance you are giving us that it will take less than 8 days
I will see my promise.
with within a day. The letter will go to him.
ठीक आहे सर.
Collector is the collector of the direction. Collector is the chairperson of the district department.
Okay.
So here Mamladar might receive to report the issue, report that to the collector.
And from there, the directions will be given.
Yes, directions will be. Directly we are given.
मला मेन कितें आसा तुमी आनी पंचायती दोगांनी डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय कोणी असो तो आनी हांव सांगता नांव कोणाचें आमकांय खबर आसा तुकाय खबर आसा कोण तो रुदल फेर्नांडीस तेजे नांवार आसा तेजे बायलेच्या नांवार आसा ही प्रॉपर्टी लँड फिलींग केल्या हेच्या पयलीं आमी हांगा येवन गेल्ले ही द MLA ऑफ सांताक्रूज ओके तें तुमकां खबर आसा सो MLA म्हणून तेणें हें करपाक जाय हांगा डिजास्टर जाल्यार सगळ्यांची घरां म्हणून वयतली आनी तेन्नाय हें सांगलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय काडलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय मांडलेलें तरी पूण आतां कितें जालें तें तुमकां खबर आसा आनी हेजे फुडें आनीक जातलें फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 month or more than 2-3 months कंटिन्यूअस रेनफॉल वील बी देयर आनी तेन्ना कोणाचे कॉलॅप्स जायत कितें जायत नेम ना आतां ऑलरेडी कंपाऊंड वॉल कॉलॅप्स जाल्या तशी बाकीच्यांची कोणाची घरां आनी कितें कॉलॅप्स जायत गॅरंटी ना बट तुमी डिजास्टर एज अ डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट थ्रू द कलेक्टर यू हॅव टू गिव हिम डायरेक्शन टू टेक अवे द मड इतलो मड घातला ऑलमोस्ट 3,800 square meter वी हॅव मेजर्ड इट along with mining department, along with your TCP department have given a report that they don't have any problem. Take a permission घेवपाक गरज ना. This is the report from the TCP department. So you all have to give a direction because there will be a biggest disaster over here in Sandandre. No, today itself you have to process and you have to stop this and you have to reclaim the land as per the act. As per the Disaster Management Act, you have to reclaim the land. You all have not done anything after that, like reclamation, nothing you all have done. And he can't construct a retaining wall. That's what I am telling you because retaining wall बांधले नाल्यार परत आनी collapse जातलो. Retaining wall more than 20 meters retaining wall थंय सस्टेन जावपाची ना. पावस पडटलो सकयल उदक वयतलें आनी आख्खी retaining wall collapse जाता आनी व्हडलो disaster जातलो. So retaining wall फाल्यां तो बांदतलो आनी कितें म्हणटलो की ऑलरेडी त्यांनी इनलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन केला इनलिगल घातला तेणी डंपिंग केला So all the departments should be liable. And what जो mud हडला पळय it is of smart city. You all have to investigate how you can get this mud. What investigation you all have done? Nothing. Any investigation is done? From where he has brought this mud? सगळी रेंव माती आसा आख्खी पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीची माती ती आनी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांचेर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय हाव दे कॅन गिव this mud over here. So investigation I have written to you all long back in January itself and सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयला but till now the action has not been taken. You all have issued a notice, that's it. After that nothing has been done. आता हो disaster it is in the making. We have seen केन्ना कितें मोडोन वचत नेम ना आनी हें सगळे कडेन जाता हांगाच न्हू ऑल ओवर गोवा हें चालू आसा कोण लँड फिलींग करता कोण हिल कटींग करता चालूच आसा सो अशें समज जाल्यार हे डिजास्टर टायमार अशें जाता इश्यू जाता सो तुमचो एक्शन सारको आसलो आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर एज वेल आय विल स्पीक टू द रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी एज वेल आनी मिनिस्टराक उलयता रेव्हेन्यूचो आतां खंयचें कितें भितर आसा हांव नकळो पण हांव उलयतलो मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी तांकांय सांगतलो तांकां कळपाक जाय कितें लँड फिलींग आसा ती आय वॉन्ट द एंटायर रिपोर्ट बाय टुमॉरो इटसेल्फ आनी कोणान माती खंयची माती हाडल्या पळय तो रिपोर्ट म्हाका पयलो जाय इट इज बारीक ना ती 3,800 square meter एरिया प्लस हायट इज ऑलमोस्ट 20 हायट मिटराची आसा सो इतली एरियान तूं माती घालता खंयची माती हाडटा हें कांय ना आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर बिकॉज कलेक्टर इज लायबल टू गेट दीस डन आनी स्कूल लँड सगळी माती आसा ती हांगा काडपाक लावपाची नाल्यार ती तूं कितलोय हें कर सकयल तूं शेवाय घाल तूं ट्रक हाड आनी कितें कर ती माती स्टॉप जावपाची ना माती वयतली आनी त्या दिसाच सांगलेलें माती वयतली म्हणून देंवतली म्हणून एक माडाची हायट आसा थंय माड आसा तो माडाच्या हायटीचेर आसा तुवें पळयला मेजरमेंट पासून काडटा आसतना पळयला बट डिपार्टमेंट आतां TCP डिपार्टमेंटान रिपोर्ट कितें दिला तांकां काय लागना म्हणून यू हॅव टू रायट टू देम
आमी फॉरवर्ड केल्ले सर
ना फॉरवर्ड न्हू तुमी रायट हें करपाक जाय एज पर माय कंप्लेन विच आय मेन्शन ऑन जानेवारी त्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे तुमी बरोवंक जाय तांकां कितें रिपोर्ट दिला एज पर एक्ट ताका तो लागत ना तांकां ते म्हणटा लँड फिलींग न्हूच म्हणून यू कांट सी दीस येदो व्हडलो लँड फिलींग केला आनी लँड फिलींग न्हू एक आमदार आसा म्हणून ताका सोडप आनी कॉमन मनशाक तुमी एक्शन घेता रोखडे यू ऑल आर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट the collector is also government servant. You have to act on this. Also the panchayat have to act on this.